Hi guys. I welcome you all. Thanks for choosing NanoAI Pro. In this video, I'll guide you with a simple walkthrough demo of the NanoAI Pro's software. World's first AI app that gives you unlimited access to Google NanoAI Pro plus Gemini Flash plus 100 premium AI models in one dashboard. You'll be able to see this dashboard after your successful login. In this dashboard you'll have easy access to some of the main tools of the software like text-to-image generator, AI image editor, prompt generator, etc. In the left side panel, you'll have access to tools like text-to-image generator, AI image generator, AI image editor, Pro image editor, prompt generator, AI background remover, etc. Let's begin with the text-to-image generator tool. Using this tool you can easily generate images using the text prompt by using the popular image models like Flux, DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, etc. Just enter the prompt, choose the AI model, and then choose the image style you need. Then click the Generate Image button to generate the image. Within a few seconds it will generate an image you asked for. Simply download those generated images easily by clicking the Download button below the image. Next, the AI Image Creator. This is the type of AI tool to generate an image with an image. I'm just choosing the previous generated image and giving prompts to add a few more things in the same image. Within a few seconds, it will create the image with the edits you gave as text. Or just you can use the text-to-image option. Next, AI Image Editor. Using this tool you can edit the images with filters, adjust colors, add text and more in it. Coming to Pro Image Generator, it has all new cool image editing features like Canva to make your images more attractive. Just play around with the options in it. Then the Prompt Generator. It helps you to create a prompt based on your ideas. Choose the type and enter your ideas, and then hit Generate Enhance Prompt to get a wonderful prompt. You can use the prompt to generate an image easily. Next, the AI Background Remover. Using this you are able to remove the background of any image with a crystal quality output. Because it is equipped with high speed and professional quality tools in it for faster and quality outputs. Just upload the image and hit the Remove Background button. Within a few seconds the background of the image is removed. Now, the AI Image Upscaler tool. Using this tool you can able to easily upscale your low-quality image into a high-quality image without any quality or details loss. Just upload the image and hit the Upscale Image button to see the magic. The last tool, called Smart Image Expander. It can expand your image without any quality loss. Just upload the image and enter the resolution size you need and then hit Expand Image with the AI button below to see the magic of this tool. Check the expanded image result. Without any loss in the details it expanded the image with AI. Now let's check out the basic options inside the software. My Creations option will give you access to all your creations using these tools. It's organized as a list in one place, so you'll never lose the creations you made. The Settings option will give you access to check your account details and to change your account password. Prefer dark and light mode, there's an icon on the top to do that. I think I've covered all the topics inside the app in this walkthrough demo. If you have any queries or doubts beyond this, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. Thank you.